In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a swift wire transfer using Wise. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to send money quickly and efficiently. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your Wise app or access the Wise website on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Always make sure you're logging in securely, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the account that has the balance you'd like to use for the transfer. It's important to ensure there's enough balance to cover the amount you want to send, as well as any associated fees. Next, locate and click on the Send button. This will start the process of setting up your wire transfer. You'll need to add your recipient, so look for and click on the option to Add Recipient. This step is crucial as it's where you'll specify who you're sending the money to and how. You will then be prompted to select a currency for the transfer. In our demonstration today, we're selecting USD, but you can choose whichever currency you need. Once you've selected the currency, click on Bank Details. This is where you provide the banking information of the person or entity you're sending money to. You will be presented with several options for the type of transfer you'd like to perform. Since we're focusing on a Swift wire transfer today, select the option labeled Swift. At this stage, you'll need to enter your recipient's full name, so make sure you have their details correctly spelled and formatted to avoid any delays or issues. Now, you'll need to enter a few more important details: the SWIFT or BIC code, the recipient's IBAN or account number, and the country where their bank is located. Double-check all this information, as errors here could result in failed transactions or misdirected funds. Once everything is in order, click Continue to move on to the next step. You'll then be asked to specify the amount you wish to send. Enter the amount, ensuring it aligns with your balance and any applicable sending limits. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. This is your chance to catch any typos or incorrect information before proceeding. Finally, once you're satisfied everything is correct, click on Confirm and Send. The system will prompt you to enter your password, which adds an extra layer of security to your transaction. After entering your password, your Swift wire transfer is on its way. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated a Swift wire transfer using Wise. Always check for confirmation messages or emails from Wise to ensure that your transaction was successful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your finances.